Om Namah Shivaya. So, I have a very, very important message to all yoga teachers. And before giving my message, I wish you happy Diwali to all of you. And see, listen, we all have problems in life. Which person is exceptional? Yeah, if you have a 3 minutes time, this will become a boon for you, this 3 minutes video. Yeah, so you have problems, you mean I everybody has got problems on the planet earth. Either we have problem with our life partner, if not life partner, boyfriend, if not we have financial problems. All these are fine. Then we have a organization problems, means stress from the boss, stress from the organization. If not, you have a business. What else you have in life? Yeah, so now let us keep these problems aside. Now how do you address them? Yeah, so to face the problems or to address the problems, you need strength, mental strength, right? So all of us need, you, me, everybody needs strength in life. Remember, yoga sadhana has two dimensions. One is sattva guna. I'm going to discuss in detail about sattva guna in couple of days. Now, when you practice yoga sadhana daily, you gain sattva guna. What helps, how this sattva guna helps you get strength to handle any type of difficult situation. You will have mental strength. You already have, only thing you are not recognizing your strength. It will be revealed to you. This is the benefit one of yoga sadhana, daily sadhana. Second, you will get siddhis in a long term. If you practice several years, you will get mental siddhis. They are mentioned in the scriptures. I have experienced, I have seen people who are having siddhis. Siddhis means you can read somebody's mind. Yeah. So practice every day, but practicing alone is very, very difficult. If you are teaching and you have become already practicing teacher, for you no problem. But many yoga teachers who are teaching, they are not practicing. They don't have glow on their face. Their face has become like lethargic. I'm saying yoga teachers who are teaching constantly. So you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your mind. You need mental strength. So recently I have recorded some 5 advanced, some are advanced, some are basic yoga nidra techniques. My own voice, I am giving them as a gift to you all. Use them. After yoga sadhana, you have to utilize them. Remember, I'm repeating, after yoga sadhana only. Yeah, and practicing alone is a very, very difficult. Hence, you join under some yoga trainer. Maybe you join to your friends' classes. So in Bodhi Yoga Academy, we have 1 year membership, 4,000 rupees. Remember, sadhana is your shield. Now, 1 year membership 4,000 means monthly 300. If anybody says I don't have 300 also, is a joke. Now, you call me and say that I don't have this money, sir. I will give you opportunity to practice. Yeah. So what I request all of you, please practice. Don't give up to the sadhana. You will gain mental powers. You will get strength to handle and to address all the problems in life. God bless you. Om Namah Shivaya.